Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of electric vehicles. Porsche is offering up to $4,500 to drivers who switch from a Tesla to a Taycan. This is part of their new Conquest Lease Program, and it's a great deal for anyone considering a change. Porsche's offer applies to both the 2024 and 2025 models of the Taycan. If you switch from any non-Porsche car, you can get up to $4,500 towards your lease payments. This deal is especially enticing for Tesla owners who might be looking to upgrade to something new. Here's how it works. If you have 31 to 60 days left on your current lease, you can get up to $1,500. If you have 61 to 90 days left, you can get up to $3,000. And if you have 91 to 180 days remaining, you can get the full $4,500. Porsche has recently updated the Taycan for 2025, adding style and tech upgrades. These include shorter acceleration times, faster charging, and a larger battery that lasts longer between charges. The Turbo S model now boasts 939 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. The base model has also seen improvements, now reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The fastest Taycan, the Turbo GT, has 1,092 horsepower and an optional Weissach package that replaces the back seats with a carbon fiber panel for weight savings. With these upgrades and the lease incentives, Porsche is clearly targeting Tesla owners who might be looking for a change. If you're in the market for a new EV, this could be the perfect opportunity. For more automotive news, like the video and subscribe to our channel.